action. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Great Scumbug Revival. If you're just now tuning in, there's another episode of this, the first one. You should probably go back and watch that. But if you don't have time to do it, here's what happened. Scumbug, our old school Baja bug, is getting a revival by the boys at MP. Here's the thing. At some point, the engine got seized. Don't know how. It was on a music video shoot. Wasn't actually our fault this time. But it sat for like a year and a half, 2 years, I don't know. Now, it's getting fully rebuilt. I'm talking fully rebuilt. New engine, going through the trans, going through the suspension, all the consumables. It's gonna be ready and ripping. Actually, it has to be ready and ripping because the very next day after this, it has to go to this versus that off-road and compete. So, let's check in with the boys at MP and see where we're at.
Just grease?
No, it's a Molly lube that I mix up. Learned from this old lady that used to build engines in the 80s, SIR. She taught me how to make a Molly lube instead of just buying it. I mean, there ain't nothing like this right here. This is for like fasteners, but then this is for like lifter break-in.
Yeah.
Oh man, it feels good.
Every single day, I'm sitting in my shop trying to mess with differentials. Don't ask why. When you have multiple cars, you have multiple diffs. It's hard to get the old gasket off. And the worst part about it is I'm always worried about if I'm going to damage the housing or the cover to my diff.
Oh God, don't weld your own diff.
I got the solution for you. Oh, that's right, the new Permatex Optimum Easy Disassembly line. The best performance RTV out there, and guess what? It even comes in black, gray, and red for multiple formulas for multiple occasions. With this new formula, it's super easy to remove and get all the grime off of here. You know, before you take a wire wheel, you can use a spatula. No more with that, you just play a little DJ on here and it'll rub right off. Quicker and safer to remove than cut gaskets. No gouging, no bending, just easy disassembly. So if you want to save time and save the hassle, click the link below, get you some of this gasket maker, and have an easy life, because I know I want one too.
All right, now we got the engine back here after 48 hours of a mad thrash. Got her together, she's on the dyno. I'm looking for it to do somewhere around 100 horsepower, probably maybe 110 torque. We'll throw a little tune on it, keep it a little bit on the rich side, and you know, got all the empty gear on it. Thing went together nice, really happy with it. It's a small 2 liter, and I think these guys are gonna have a good time running this thing out there in the sand. The other engine, man, I tried to fix it, but it was just too much damage. Had the broken crank, broken rods, scam, case was dust. There was just basically a pile of trash. Everything brand new, used all his externals, and here we are. Slam and jam, see what happens. 106, almost 107 torque, Hoonigan, about 5,000 back. Horsepower is 99.95.
100, 100.
I think you should just slam in there and go have fun. It's got solid torque. I don't know what the engine was before, but this is a good combination with the 120 cam, and I think you guys will be happy with it. So the AFR, we got it to where it's a little on the rich side, but I think on like long runs, you know, hauling out for a while, that it's better to have a little more fuel than not enough. So I'm happy with it.
What's good?
Hey, did you hear how much horsepower the bug made?
What?
You hear how much horsepower the bug made?
How much you made?
100
what?
horsepower.
You lying?
I'm not lying.
On the bike?
I would not lie.
On the bike?
Swear on my mama.
Where you trying to go to the moon? Hold on.
Oh no.
Oh no, I touched my butt. Oh, she's running.
So good.
Yeah.
That feels good. Brakes feel good. Clutch feels good. Pretty responsive. I guess we'll find out on the track. Oh, I know that faceplate came off.
All right, well, it's a week later. The Scumbug is back together, courtesy of Jack Sacchetti and the MP team. Vic, John, amazing work. Thank you so much.
Probably one of the toughest things is rebuilding the whole front end.
You know, the fact that we started up and drove it away and had no issues, that's always a plus in everybody's book. Here you guys go, have fun. Don't break it.
Or don't break it too hard. Don't break it as hard as the other people broke it last time. Get your tetanus shots, guys.
All right, she is done, she is ready, she is ripping. Now it's time to put her to the test and see if we can manage not to break it through some jumps in a whoop section multiple times. I don't have the highest hopes, but you know what? Runs damn good right now, thanks to the boys at MP. We're gonna go put this thing down. I mean, not put it down like death, but you know, we're gonna do the thing. All right. right, dude. So this is test hit number 1 from our bro, Cody.
This is the man, Cody. He is known for fixing all the broken shit at the Hoonigan garage. Are you excited? Have you ever driven a Baja Bug?
Well, I've driven a Bug, not a Baja Bug. Got a 66, but I've never jumped anything. I've jumped my 04 Silverado, but it's bone stock. That's about it.
Yeah, dude. Things looking pretty good.
He is legit desert bro. And you know what? We figured this is a perfect time for him to shine, mostly because my spine won't take another big jump.
And neither will my slip disc. So we're all old, and
I built the cage. I know at least he'll be safe with the cage. It's been sitting for 3 years, and he's never driven a Baja Bug, but he's owned a Volkswagen. It seems fitting. I don't want this to be the Blake Wilkie show, and this is gonna make it way more entertaining.
He led the campaign to get this thing back on the road.
You mean your stuff doesn't always run?
All right, enough of you, buddy. Enough of you. Guess who's not on season 3? Big air.
Yeah, he got it!
He just put it together. Man, Scumbug, we love you.
Yeah, that was a solid one.
Hey,
Hold that foot. Took the dub for 1 round.
Go, Cody, go, Cody.